Manage and work with cloud documents in Photoshop. How to manage and work with cloud documents in Photoshop. By the way, cloud documents in Photoshop, a new cloud native document file type that is optimized for a seamless online or offline work experience across devices. And with cloud documents, you can enjoy the security of knowing that your edits get saved and sunset to the cloud all the time. And read the full article below to learn more about common workflows associated with cloud documents in Photoshop, like this screenshot now. And create a cloud document and save. How to create a cloud document and save on your iPad if you'd like to save the cloud document in your iPad. Any document, by the way, you create with Photoshop on mobile is automatically saved as a cloud document by default. And use the create new option in the application's home screen to create a cloud document. So in desktop, you can create a document with Photoshop on desktop and save it as a cloud document to work anytime and anywhere and across devices. And to save a document, go to File, then Save As, and select an option from the Save on your computer or to Cloud Documents. And when that opens, you can always switch between the available save options in the Cloud Document Picker and to save and save to Cloud Documents and save on your computer. Like this screenshot. Look at this screenshot now carefully. Save on your computer or to Cloud Documents. You can always switch later. And we have Cloud Documents and on your computer. And you have to save to Cloud Documents and you have to save on your computer. You have to choose from anyone. And select that don't show again. If you press sign for don't show again. Checkbox if you don't want to see save on your computer or to Cloud Documents window again. And Photoshop remembers the save behavior from your last session and intentively presents you with the same experience and when you try to save a document again. And web, you can access your cloud documents from webassets.adobe.com but not create and open, make edits or save. And how to access your cloud documents. If you'd like to access your cloud documents, how to access the cloud documents. iPad. On the iPad, tap the cloud documents and tap in the application's home screen on your iPad, and under the cloud documents section you can sort your cloud documents by date created and date modified or name is ascending or descending orders, and you can switch between the list view and the grid view icon, and you can create a folder icon to organize your cloud documents. And on desktop, click the Cloud Documents tab in the application's home screen on your desktop, and under the Cloud Documents section you can select that. You can enable the checkbox to select multiple cloud documents simultaneously and sort your cloud documents by date modified and or name is ascending or descending orders, and you can switch between the list view icon and the grid view icon, and you can create a folder icon to organize your cloud documents. And on the web, open assets.adobe.com and navigate to Creative Cloud, then Files, then Press Your Work, then Cloud Documents. And under the Cloud Documents section, you can do that. You can enable the checkbox to select multiple cloud documents, and you can to sort your your cloud documents by modified or name in ascending or descending orders, and you can switch between the list view icon and the grid view icon, and you can create a folder icon to organize your cloud documents, like this screenshot now. You have to choose files, then you have to choose cloud documents, and view version history of a cloud document. You can view and manage the version history of your Photoshop cloud documents from web. To view the version history, do the following. Number 1, go to assets.adobe.com, then press files, then press cloud documents and browse through your cloud documents. Then number 2, open a cloud document and click the timeline icon like this screenshot now. And number 3, in the timeline panel that opens, you can find auto-saved versions of your cloud document, and however a cloud document version. To see more options, like click the 3 dots icon and select name this version to give a name to the selected version. And number 2, click the mark version icon to save that version of your cloud document and easily access your saved cloud document versions under the marked versions section at the top of the timeline panel. And step number 3, click the mark version icon again to remove a saved cloud document version from the marked versions section. And how to revert to previous version of a cloud document. If you'd like to revert to previous version of a cloud document, you have to choose now rename this version or revert to this version. You have to choose revert to this version. And however a cloud document version that is already named, and click the 3 dots icon and select revert to the version to revert to a previous version. Then when you open the same cloud document in Photoshop, you can see the reverted version and start working, by the way. And also you can use rename this version to change the name of your previously named cloud document version. And how to rename and delete and move. How to rename and delete and move on the cloud documents. Rename your cloud documents. Once you have accessed your cloud documents from within the Photoshop home screen on your device, desktop or mobile, or on the web, assets.adobe.com, you can rename your cloud documents anyway, and tap the 3 dots. Tap the 3 dots icon visible below a cloud document thumbnail and select rename. Then simply type in a new name for your cloud document to rename it. And how to delete your cloud documents. If you'd like to delete your cloud documents, open the 3 dots menu visible below a cloud document thumbnail on your device, desktop or mobile, or on the web assets.adobe.com, and select delete. The documents you delete from within the applications or from the web get archived, by the way, and stored under deleted section in the application's home screen or Creative Cloud and your work and deleted. And tap or click the 3 dots again menu that appears below a cloud document in the deleted section and choose to restore or permanently deleted your cloud document. And you can find the restored cloud documents again under the cloud documents section. And delete your cloud document permanently to clear your cloud storage. And how to move and organize your cloud documents. If you'd like to move and organize your cloud documents, what you will do in your iPad. If you'd like to move and organize your cloud documents in your iPad, under the cloud documents section in the application's home screen, simply drag and place a cloud document to an available folder to create a folder icon. And you cannot multi select your cloud documents while on the iPad. So on the desktop, if you'd like to move and organize your cloud documents on the desktop, tap the 3 dots icon visible below the cloud document thumbnail and select move to. And in the panel that opens, you can select from available folders or use the add folders icon and option to create a folder tap Move to Place. Move to place your selected cloud documents in a folder or cancel to exit the move operation. And to move multiple cloud documents, you can enable the checkbox below the cloud document section to enter multi-select mode. And on the web, however, a cloud document thumbnail and click the three dots icon. Select Move to move your cloud documents. In the Move to panel that opens, you can choose from available folders or use the Add Folders icon option. To create a folder, click Move here. To place your selected cloud documents in a folder or cancel to exit the move operation. And to move multiple cloud documents, you can enable the checkbox below the cloud documents section to enter multi-select mode. And how to create a duplicate copy of a cloud document. On the iPad, if you would like to create a duplicate copy of a cloud document on the iPad, tap the three dots icon visible below and the cloud document thumbnail under cloud documents in the application's home screen. Then select duplicate to create a copy of your cloud document. On the desktop, you cannot duplicate, by the way, a cloud document while working with Photoshop on desktop. You cannot duplicate, by the way, a cloud document while working with Photoshop on desktop. And on the web, while you are on the web, assets.adobe.com, go to Creative Cloud, then Files, then Your Work, then Cloud Documents, and tap the three dots icon visible below and the cloud document thumbnail and select Copy to create a copy of your selected cloud document. And how to share a link to your creative work. How to share a link to your creative work while you are away from your iPad or desktop or laptop. You can simply visit assets.adobe.com and log in with your Adobe ID to access your creative work. And on the web, assets.adobe.com, tap the three dots again, then visible below the cloud document thumbnail and select Share to generate a public link. And anyone with a link can view your creative work and post comments.